The tour is very interesting, especially to see such a large warehouse and how people are operating it, and even how they're using the Goodshuffle system to help with that. One of the things that is neat is you can hear how people are using the system and the software for what they're doing, or something that you may not have thought of. They're doing it differently, and you're like, oh, it's interesting. We can take that back and give that a shot.
Our current software is one of your competitors, and it's just challenging for us to do business the way that we want to do it. We want to double the size in a year. We think with the right software and some key investments, which we're carefully considering making, that we can get there.
We actually use Goodshuffle now. One thing that they mentioned was I was really interested in the dispatch and how they use that. A lot of cool stuff in there where you can add notes in for, when you go to installs.
I think the notes in general would be a big help as far as what equipment is going out, and then also as well as if there's any equipment changes, if a client orders 4 of something and then ends up last minute deciding they only need 3, the fact that that can actually be implemented and then shows it coming back and then going back into inventory, I think that's a big help as well.
Just the ease of use and the interface is really appealing to us. The current one that we have is not as user-friendly. We have a seasonal staff that comes in, and we really need something that they can get up to speed on very quickly, and Goodshuffle seems to be able to do that.
I think it's just nice to get out and see what other people are doing, and the idea of like implementing every aspect of Goodshuffle digitally. We still do a lot of stuff with paper, and it's kind of hard to go into the world of just doing everything digital.
And some of the things that we saw here today of staging a truck and getting it out and getting good data back from, hey, that job's complete, let the customer know, that's huge for us. That would be massive for us if we can get that implemented.